A lot of people ask me where I get all of my items that I resell on eBay, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. I thought in this video I would break down all of my top retail stores where I go pick up products that sell pretty well on places like eBay and Mercari and Facebook Marketplace. So, we're going to break down the top destinations. I'm going to tell you guys what to look out for at each store. That way, you guys can make money. Guys, if you want to make money, if you want to learn how to resell items, like everyday items, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video. We have a ton of cool content coming out for you guys very, very soon. Tomorrow, I have my first This Week in Resale video. Basically, it's just going to be me breaking down my entire week reselling. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I bought, what I sold, how much money I made. We're going to go through that series. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. So first, I want to give you guys my favorite store that I get a lot of profitable items that I resell. That store is Marshalls. Guys, a lot of places near you probably have Marshalls. A lot of towns probably have Marshalls. And if not in your town, very, very close to you, Marshalls it's a place that has something for everybody, right? The top things that I used to look at Marshalls, well, really the only thing I used to look at it was sneakers. But now my horizons have been broadened. I go and I look at sneakers, obviously, but guys, go back to the dishes section. Look for Ray Dunn dishes. Or Ray Dunn, I'll put some pictures up on the screen, especially her Christmas collections and stuff like that. Those always do well. Okay, those always do well. Those are great resale items, so be sure to check those out. And then head over to the bedding section. I'm going to show you guys something that you probably didn't expect to get as a resellable item, but check out these Cynthia Raleigh Christmas sheets. If you guys find these, buy them up. Those are going to be very, very profitable over the next couple months. And then obviously check the clothes, things like that, see if you find anything good. Just the other day, I found a Salute to Service Dallas Cowboys jersey, $170 retail, picked it up for 40 bucks. So there are deals out there like that. Now, my next favorite place to shop is probably Burlington. Burlington is basically just like Marshalls. I like it for all the same reasons, but I think that I find better clothes at Burlington. Just the other day, I found some Salute to Service Washington Redskin hoodies, and I think those are going to be great resale items here in the near future. So it was really good to find those. So another place like Burlington is great to go to as well. After that, I'm going to say a place like Walmart is really good. You can find a lot of good items at Walmart. A lot of items that you've seen me sell recently, like inflatables and things like that, I get from Walmart. So just check your local Walmarts. Same with a place like Target as well. Target is really good for that. A store like Big Lots is good for those bigger items. When pools were popping off, Big Lots was really, really good. And then a place like Ross too. A place like Ross is kind of like Marshalls and Burlington in my extent, but it's a lesser version in my opinion. I don't find as good stuff at Ross as I do Marshalls or Burlington. So those are the main stores to look for, guys. Honestly, just go check your stores out. Research your items on eBay. I promise you will find good items to flip, good items to resell. If you guys are confused what to resell, check out the cook group Bread and Butter. That is the group that I get all of my information from. I have an affiliate link down below that will help get you guys started reselling. Be sure to tell them that Soul State sent you. And I look forward to seeing you guys in Bread and Butter. There are a ton of items out there that we can find to go resell. If you guys need to learn more, check out Bread and Butter. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, which is a very, very cool video. I'm excited for you to see. So be here tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central Time. That video will be live premiering, and I'll be in the chat chatting with you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is Soul State, signing out.